All right, so we got Morgan here, and he has talked to us about homeowners insurance, flood insurance, and earthquake insurance. And now he's gonna tell me about one thing I have no idea about because I don't have it, and then something I do have a small idea about because I do have it. And the one is life insurance, which I know nothing about, and he hopefully knows slightly more than that. And then business insurance. So yeah, let's talk about life first.
Life insurance.
What does life insurance cover?
It covers if you pass away, we'll give whoever you want that money.
Can I stipulate who I don't want to have that money?
I can make a note for you. Yeah, he's out.
So, I'm just kidding. He would be the first one.
Oh, he made it. The non-existent policy. Yeah, you're promising something you don't have. Hey, if I did have it, you're number one. You're number one in my book. Doesn't have it.
All right, so are there different types of life insurance policies?
Yeah, so there's two main types, but just generally speaking, if you pass away, we give the people you love money. That's how it goes.
What are the two main types?
And the two main types are, it's called permanent life insurance. It's some type of form of, you start it and it goes till you die.
Okay, permanent life insurance. And are you paying for that the entire time?
And you pay it for the entire time, depending on, there's tons of different options within that bucket.
And then what's the other one?
And the other one, it's a set time. It's either
for like 4 years or 2 years.
Usually it's like 10, 20, 30 years, something like that.
What's the benefit of one over the other?
So the main two differences is the life insurance that lasts your whole life is quite a bit more expensive, but it usually grows you cash value. So like a saving account that grows money, for example, and life insurance combined, but it's quite a bit more expensive. One, because it guarantees the insurance company pays, and
so
two,
if I was gonna pick up a smoking habit, I would sign up for that policy first.
You would sign up for it first and then start smoking.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then it's quite a bit more expensive because of those two things. It guarantees we're going to pay money. And then also two, you'll have cash value inside it, which you can borrow against later. So that one's very complicated. That's very complicated. The cheap or less expensive and very simple one is, and it's low cost as well as, let's pick the term or temporary life insurance. Let's pick 20 years. It's from the day you start for 20 years. Let's say you got a policy of $500,000. If anything happens in that range, boom, we'll pay you that money. At the end, the policy goes away.
How much does a $500,000 policy cost? Like, how much does life insurance cost?
Yeah, I did one for myself earlier today.
He probably put in like $5 million.
Yeah, big roller. You know these insurance guys. So and it depends on how healthy you are, right?
So did you decide how healthy you are?
So usually you fill out a medical form and or need a physical, which we pay for.
Okay.
So those are kind of the options. Generally speaking, the younger you are, the cheaper, obviously. So it's age dependent and then health dependent. So for me, I'm 26 years old. If I wanted $1 million and a term policy.
I knew it was more than 500.
And if I wanted a 20-year policy, it'd be between $60 and $83 a month.
Why is it between 60 and 83?
If I'm above average health, it'll be 60.
Oh, so that's
if
after
I'm normal health, it's 83.
So less than $100 a month for
$1 million until I'm 46.
That's good. 40.
Yeah, I'm like, edit this out.
No. Now we're starting the video. Yeah. All right, so, okay.
And then 500 is 35 to 46. That's kind of like the range.
That seems very reasonable.
Very
I guess
reasonable.
I don't know what it costs.
And you don't have to get checkups. And once the policy starts, you can pretty much unalive for almost any reason and we'll cover it. So that's kind of how it goes. So no checkups, you just have to get approved the first time. So if you have any medical conditions, obviously it's more expensive or harder, but typically people fall in that range. There's also cheaper if you're like a marathon runner or really healthy, but these are like normal people that are healthy.
Oh, so if I was like an ultra marathoner, that might bring down the rates a little bit.
It might, yeah. It also might increase it if you live like a crazy lifestyle too. You're like a helicopter pilot and you're like run triathlons that do this, that, and the other.
They're like, this guy's gonna
Yeah, you're like, this guy's burning it on both ends. But generally speaking, that's kind of the range.
Thank you for being here. I want to give you one of these, but I want to show it off to the camera first.
Okay.
Because if you're one of my clients and you would like one of these, just come here and I'll get you one. So what it is we got these wine bottles. Oh, it's even in the right direction. That's good. There was a winery that went out of business, and we bought a gazillion bottles, and they were really awesome and let us do some custom labels on it. So it's a set of one of 3. And
Whoa.
There's some squiggly lines on here that don't look like a whole lot, but when you put all the bottles together, it's the whole length of the Skagit River from the source in the mountains through the valley. And
That's pretty cool.
And this is the one with Fur Island in it. You can kind of see the shape of Fur Island down there.
Yeah, that's my flood zone. I like that.
Yeah, you're like, I provide flood insurance there.
That's my world right there. I own it. Everything the darkness touches.
He's the bad guy. Anyways, thank you for being here.
Yeah, thank you. Can I get a handshake when I do? It's like an award. You know how they like...
They won't see it because of the Lego head.
Oh my.
Yes,
Yeah,
we are shaking hands.